MTN Ghana, what's the meaning of this? When the data bundle for TableNet was 92 gig, the one that Slawusu brought, I could use it for like 6 weeks or 2 months. Watch so many movies. The new one, you said you have brought it back to 214 gig. I just bought one. Less than 3 weeks. It's my second movie I'm watching. Data finish.
Obi na kan na se because say eja na hyewa wan kasa beba. You see am no kase here dey Captain Kojo Smart. Any DKB Ghana. Any eden isuo mu. Omu bob na mama yi. Omu asem nyina say data bundle. Ne bo ayedene. Na utoso a. Esne flash. Show na asa. Awon bet na TikTok. Any Twitter. Ayɛka omu akosem. Na so mo kan so no. Ghana for any omu aklashe. Ewo media na so. Enya asem kuma. In this video we do ho komo. Aha Penyah Brock Media. Make sure say any mo. Obe like if video no allow my subscribe button, snap back the notification icon latest update. Na be kire wa join dia mama e wo comment section. Make sure say oba so a. No achieve no for so enya bi ahwe. Eti me say unim DKB Ghana. Unim am ntrɛ. All na be ko 24 election wo no. Oh yeah. 24-hour economic skit. Ema NDC for na say anadwo 2 am. Okoyi sika every bank. No. Any worker say there be abetwe there say be clear. Ya wotre. Yan say be any because anadwo 2 am there. Untimi gas wa ko yiska because of 24-hour economy go yiska every bank. Enyo possible. What I say? Ema omu efaya no. Ema omu akọ esa be different skit e de baye. Now DKB Ghana, this is how the conversation started. In 2024, 19th July 2024, and a DKB Ghana make a post on Twitter and on Twitter say, I get very frustrated and angry whenever I need to buy MTN Ghana data bundle. So expensive and little. Just say, I want to buy MTN data bundle. We are the data no board done. And it says, how can the government force MTN to increase data cost and reduce the same data size to force us to use their government-bought network with bullshit service? A pay toll only in Ghana. So this is post here. DKB Ghana MK on exactly 19th July 2024. Which say data bundle board especially with MTN. No say a government no. And as a communication officer no. And what the pressure ama telecommunication network means omuntu to data bundle board mu omuntu tum. I say omuntu tum or kind of same way. Adia chinye ana taking tree guys making a tweet and what say MTN data in Ghana is more than 300% expensive compared to Nigeria, and they also have more than 3,000 offers compared to Ghana. Or just say yeah, the same MTN, but so where MTN data bo Ghana ha now they go to MTN data wo Nigeria. Just say oh the Nigeria there no. They are 300% better than MTN data bundle in Ghana here. And I also check officer, available officer made for me, made for you near the Adena. MTN in Nigeria, they have about 3,000% offers as compared to MTN in Ghana. How? And now that person here, you know, DKB Ghana ever reply with a tweet and what should I say? Yo, as for this, I will defend MTN Ghana, not because they are my people. They had same type packages, but it is the government directive to MTN to increase data price and reduce the same data size for the increased price, or to stifle MTN and favor network owned by the government. And I DKB Ghana 2024 because oh there be taking tree. Now with no part there, make me defend MTN. Make me defend the first born MTN. We should put the blame on the government. A government nimbo and the pressure ma MTN was omuntum data buomu. Omuntum so a do me man omunya nyeketua bi. Se be a amount for a domino any MTN ho then the government sponsored network aba ne de aba no omu ebeto eno. Na na menim government sponsored network na all can one say but that was what DKB Ghana said. In the 27 December, Anna is the end this year. Now later, anyway, appointed Sam George as Minister for Information and Communication. From there, another data bundle boy started air cost data bundle packages. A bono I started air cost then Emma create awareness on the internet. Emma domino ebemu then the Sam George they know nyaso there be a year dinner temu ani e capture Sam George and to also be a press conference. And guys okay, starting 1st July, data bundle boy be ebe ka ho. may tune by 15%. Am I in a message? MTN send message okay. Latest by 1st July no. You better boom. Na emu ana DKB Ghana crab no can ask me or make it tweet. I was tweet. I not try say. I just got an alert from my table net of 25% data left. I told it to shut up cause by 1st July, kind courtesy, the best minister for communication ever, Sam George, my usual 700 Ghana will be sorted with old data quantity and my table net will suffer data obesity. I am just happy. Hashtag Abai Papa. Just say, or make it tweet to 19th June 2025. After Sam George also said 1st July, or increase data bundle packages. No. And unya message okay the table net na what on that is the 92 Ghana is now as those time what on we use some account 25 pen okay so no omunyo masem na the best man one senior man ever the best communication minister ever Sam George ever wonders starting 1st July 18 no obia enyedi ama 1st July next 1st July soon we say data bundle no the ehu increment the 400 cedis own. That the 399 on MTN. And no one in increment. That can be added. More or less the same. I want to crown. Taking three guy, any some dot ABC and this so disgusting inside Ghana had them not. Even 10 cities. 10 cities cannot even get you 1 gig. It's in two let's say indirectly in a young top 400 cities and answer day. Are you trying to use that to take our money or what? It is taking three guy able to answer this question. I will Twitter. Everyone come up for us say, hey, taking three guy. The OMPP ni ana just a taking trigger no fight ma Ghana for no Ghana for mum e be attack no this data bundle issue no ana enro achi no DKB Ghana na oye skit ema end this 24-hour economic skit ema end this no or make a video and opposed to Instagram, TikTok, Twitter any baby a video na o chire mu say ye ma me esro su time na table net no auto 92 gig na it means me twa busumi mienu 92 gig e me twa 2 months but na kwana Sam George abetum e dey akọ 214 gig no auto be 1st July less than 3 weeks data bundle no asa
MTN Ghana, what's the meaning of this? When the data bundle for table net was 92 gig, the one that's Lausu brought, I could use it for like 6 weeks or 2 months. Watch so many movies. The new one, you said you have brought it back to 214 gig. I just bought one. Less than 3 weeks. It's my second movie I'm watching. Data finish. Yeah, the other one, I watched several movies, watched a whole series, Squid Games, everything. Second movie I'm watching. And then normal daily browsing on phone. How can 214 gig last for just 3 weeks when 92 gig was lasting for 2 months? See, I'm watching a movie here. See. You can see the merry-go-round. It's finished. The data bundle is finished. Less than 3 weeks. Is it even 3 weeks? July 1st. So, 19 days. 214 gig finished. With less consumption. MTN, please explain, because I don't understand this.
Less than 3 weeks. 214 gig asa. Meanwhile, 292 series, 92 gig no. As also time. Now it made 2 months. It open that question say, and then I cost with MTN Ghana. And I taking three guy about comment section and I reply with a tweet. And I say, yesterday in DKB Ghana video about how fast his MTN data gets exhausted, he was still defending and protecting his favorite politicians despite the current struggles. Just say, Onia, video na yen no achiano. Just say, all kind of concept na or say born a political party home by. On pense or bekasa a good party move into or the blame ni na. Akogu MTN is MTN for na shada emi omani e mafia Ghana for. What I say? He mentioned Esrewusus for the previous packages, but chose to blame only MTN in the latest one. So he said, Oba Abasan, Oba Esrewusus, Oba say, Esrewusus time cannot auto data bundle. 92 gig now. Let him do 2 months. 92 gig, 8 2 months. But Oba subordinate, which is a MTN kwa, and then Obo Machi. Anka, in other sense, praise as rules no ne nka o blame Sam George no say communication officer because as rules ta wo na Sam George na ba ana Sam George dey o suevi e de sobo no akobo MTN ko a eno asem na tech ntwi guy e ka no ahadom no e no to say he didn't mention the current minister's name or the NCA, which shows he cares more about the current politicians than his own self. Just say, "One more Sam George dini, and one some more NCA dini." Actually, say, "What the party?" It's not one kasa no. What the party no? It's not one kasa no. Be koye ediamano. This is the phone I use every day to watch YouTube, scroll through TikTok, stay on X, and browse the internet, all on 5G ultra capacity. Yet, since July 2nd, I've used less than 70 gig or outside or USA. Now, USA no one. The phone use run 5G. What I say, hey, so on YouTube, where near TikTok, no scroll, X, no, no 2nd July, ADBC, now also use data bundle 70 gig per. Me, I bought the TurboNet 215 gig, that 399 cedi, 4 million there. Me to bundle way last week Monday, 14 July, and I'm to data bundle way. I tell you, say I've used 100 gig, just 1 week, but it's 100 gig. And no crown, data ni 100 gig asa, 100 gig asa. Bobo USA 5G, but still almost that same time. Obia is for 3 weeks. I feel it's 70 gig. Ghana, you complain and will be to Twitter can't quasi asem. You complain about the board and no be can't quasi asem just because or your party sympathizer no can't quasi asem. Something is clearly draining your hard-earned money, but we keep politicizing everything and suffering in silence. It's the NCA's job to ensure data usage is reported accurately. But since your favorites are the ones responsible for fixing it, you chose to blame MTN, and that won't help because they might not care or could be doing it intentionally. Deal with it. I say, and in the tech industry, ever clash with Unia, DKB Ghana. I say, oh, omo betimi, omo to me so muya adwuma no. Omo ya manyo for mo office no. Omo so your favorite. E dey any person go machi dey any forget a quantum na suffer. Quantum na suffer. And that post now, taking tree guy, you know. DKB Ghana when I reply with a tweet, and I say, my video about MTN data overrunning is now politically motivated. So is data a government policy now? Is MTN a political party? What has utility got to do with political power? MPP stooges, the use of your own brain is still legal, okay? Don't fear to use it. You won't be arrested. Just hey, the can't was yam. As just a video na me ya na make how me data is in term no. I feel very politically motivated say political party be abesha actually. Hey sir, that ben any data bundle ebe ye government policy. Na that ben na MTN so be political party e Ghana ha. Mewa yanko DKB Ghana. DKB Ghana post to make it on 19th July 2024. Or should I say, I get frustrated and angry whenever I need to buy data bundle from MTN. So expensive and little. How can a government force MTN to increase data cost? In 2024, Ohunyansa e blame government. As a government to na air force MTN. Am I no crime taking tree and making complaints say, oh, MTN data in Ghana is more than 30% expensive compared to Nigeria. DKB Ghana create ebe reply as well for that one. Yo, I can defend MTN. One, yo, as for this, I will defend MTN. Not because they are my people. They had same type packages, but it's the government's directive to MTN to increase data prices. 2004, DKB Ghana in opposition, he was blaming government for data bundle prices. But Owa Bemudia or say it shouldn't be politically motivated. Now that Ben MTN for be a political party no. Now the ye hold them responsible as he said they are political parties. And I was like I was saying MP for the margin munyusu na a league who is a woman to munyusu adwena edemu tirimuno. And attacking tree as a reply beam and I just say or reply with post na DKB Ghana in 2024 no can say oh government na force MTN so mun 2 minutes and also be say so is data a government policy now? Is MTN a political party? what has utility got to do with political power? Also called target. Who me say ne? Time on our kind of asem no. Be see what worse to you. Na MTN a political party that time. Another time MTN there. What I say? MTN a day. I'm not taking tree as a baby. And I just say yesterday makes it a year, but the same person, and today is the same person. But the difference is he chooses politicians over himself and comes blame MTN. As I reply with post now, DKB gonna make here on 19th July 2024. Outworkers when they make 20 MTN for na a no and na afford so many 2 liter packages. No. Or reply with this particular tweet. I'm not taking trigger as a baby. Post na DKB Ghana emeki 19 June 2025 na abra na onya alert say ne table net we use maka 25% no. Okase won emunya amasem na 1st July hwebe Sam George obetum or bi be count no munya metwen no mato no. Take it ever reply no. And not say I am just happy. It's now not happy in less than a month because the data the government brought it back is now MTN's fault, not the government anymore. DKB Ghana, NNA, or Siri no. What I say? Nani ni came for no. Captain Smart, as well as the name Abetum. Captain Collins was reading no see there. Oh my God. Why data is draining so fast? And no target tells Ghana. MTN Ghana, just a Captain Smart, DKB Ghana, NDC food soldiers, and NDC sympathizers, they are now crying over data bundle and how fast this data bundle drain when bought. Taking trigger anyone abe clash. Also, better actually watching amame comment section. I Penyah Block Media.